how to buy Bigcoin token. So this token came under the symbol of Big. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener, and it created 7 hours ago and increased by 10,000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token is trending number 1 in the abstract section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here on Trade Big, and after that clicking this icon to expand this window, and you will be able to redirect you to Reservoir website to be able to buy this token. Now first of all, connect your wallet. I will just disconnect my wallet first. Now first of all, as you can see here, now click on connect, select your wallet from here that you use. For me, I will use the OKX wallet. After that, what you need to do, just I want to log into my wallet. After that, as you can see here, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to Reservoir website, as you can see, you will be able to see your token here from the bottom. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, and after that here click on swap, and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Big token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.